arrived at Brad Gray Welding in Bathurst, New Brunswick. Hey everybody, welcome to Let's Roger That. I'm Jill, and beside me here is Brad Gray from Brad Gray Welding in Bathurst, New Brunswick. And Brad is a really special guy, and let's introduce you for a little bit. What do you do?
I'm Brad. I specialize in building custom tractor cabs for like at least a good 12 years now. And I was recently contacted by Jill here to do one for him. And if you want, I can give you a small little walk around on this thing.
That sounds great.
I have Jill's B1750 Kubota. I believe this is a 95 or a 96 model. It's an older tractor, but it's in great shape. And it's probably more dependable than the newer ones you get with all these computers and stuff. So Jill wanted a cab, and we put one on for him. And as you can see, I think it turned out pretty nice. And come this winter time, he will be more than happy with a nice heated cab and out of the elements. And if you want to just have a look inside, you can see what we have going on here. We have all our accessories. We have all our switch panel for all the accessories. Jill wanted a few extras put on, like a nice LED beacon light and whatnot. And I certainly took care of that stuff for him. Everything's on gas shocks. And he now has a complete one-piece solid welded cab. These cabs are available aftermarket and whatnot, but they're always going to be bolt together, and they're going to have vinyl and plastic, and they're not going to last. I've been doing these for a long time, and I've never had a complaint yet. And hopefully, Jill won't have any complaints either.
I sure won't.
Come the summertime, these doors are easily removable. You can take them off. You can put away in your garage, and your tractor's wide open on each side, and you still have a roof over your head with all your accessories at your fingertips.
Looks wonderful, Brad.
Yeah,
looks
thank
absolutely
you.
Wonderful.
And we even put a new joystick assembly for him on this one. You know, I had to make all this box to run his lines and whatnot, but now he has a real nice setup. And it's going to be much better than the two joystick method that was on this unit before. And other than that, I got a nice heater too. And this heater is plumbed right into the cooling system of the tractor. We have a nice adjustable fan. And I already tested this, and there's lots of heat. And I think he's going to be a happy camper come this wintertime.
Sure will. Look at that. That is amazing. So there's no air coming in from the back at all.
Very little. And to be honest with you, you don't want an airtight cab, because my tractor has a factory cab and it's airtight. And most of the winter, it's very foggy inside. It steams up real quick because there's no circulation. I tell a lot of people on these tractors, do not cover the little holes on your floor. Most guys want to put a mat over that. If you do, you can certainly do it. But if you leave it like this, your cab can breathe. And you will not have no issues with steaming up windows and foggy windows.
That's a very good point.
Oh yeah, and you will see when you try it. And I'm pretty sure you're going to be more than satisfied.
That's super. Thank you so much, Brad. I can't thank you enough for my whole body and for doing such wonderful work. It's truly amazing. Look, we've got like LED lights up there, wipers, high quality wipers. None of that stuff is going away anytime soon. And now, none of you know this, but well, of course you know that it's a Kubota, but my tractor's name is Kevin. Look at that. You put the name of my tractor on there. Like, it's amazing. Look at this thing. Absolutely fantastic. So, Brad, thank you very, very much.
Not a problem, Jill. And if you see this video on Jill's channel, I'd be more than happy if you would have a look at my channel. I'm not as popular as Jill, but maybe I can get a few subscribers from this. And just go on Brad Gray Cabs or Brad Gray Welding, and you will find it. And I have videos of quite a few tractors I've done in the past year or so. And you can take it from there, and I'd appreciate the subscriptions. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Brad, thank you once again. Folks, there you have it. If you want a really good cab, something truly sturdy that's going to last and not cost you like $20,000, well, this is the place to go. So you can see Brad. I'll have his contact information in the information, and you can take it from there. Thanks, everybody. Take care.